Buenos dias, my travel friends, and welcome to another adventure from Samana to National Park Los Haitises. I paid about 60 euros for this boat trip, which started with a visit of a few caves where the indigenous Taino people used to live. Unfortunately, this one was not accessible for tourists. A few minutes later, we arrived at the second cave, which started with some pointy rock formations and bat nests, followed by this colorful area with all kinds of minerals. The cave ended at this collapsed area with plants coming down out of the jungle through the holes at the top. The captain continued through this scenic area with tiny islands sticking out of the mixed fresh and salty water until we arrived at this stunning lagoon, where we had a 5-minute silent break. Next, we cruised through this interesting freshwater mangrove with trees surviving everything life gives them. We stopped at a crystal clear on-deep area where we got to explore another cave. This one had many hieroglyphs of the indigenous people, as well as this artistic collapsed area and a cool heart-shaped hole at the end. Finally, we arrived at the world-famous stunning island Cayo Levantado, with crystal clear water, white sand and some interesting greenery. I wanted to go for a swim immediately, but first we had a buffet with smashed plantains, rice, pasta, fish and of course fruit. The tour ended with some free time to explore the public area of this beautiful island. My final rating for this tour is a solid 8 out of 10, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you on the next one. Ciao ciao!